Hi guys, I did mention that I was going to put some nail varnish on my receiver, so I thought I'd better just demonstrate. They are very small screw heads. I might have to change the screwdriver bit because that one's making a mess. I have found in the past when I have got my receivers wet, it's usually around these pins. Now getting the pins wet isn't a problem, it's when you get the crystals build up between them. I think the only way to cure that would be to get the nail varnish right underneath, and it doesn't really flow that well, so I can just do the best I can. That's a little push switch, you don't really want to gum that up with the varnish. Sun's coming out. So I'll just say that again, the place that I've found problems isn't any of this, it's underneath those pins, right underneath the black plastic bits. The water gets under there, then when you've got the current flow, that creates the crystals that grow up underneath. Probably put far too much on there now. Obviously you don't want to actually cover those pins, otherwise you've got no electrical contact when you plug your servo in there and your ESC. So that's it, that's varnished my receiver. You could do your ESC as well, but I'm not going to at this time. Nail varnish is dry. Looks like we've got a good coating. What I'm looking for is just to make sure I haven't got any nail varnish up on these tags. I've got a little bit just there. Rest of them look okay. So can we get it back in? Try it out. Okay, so we've got a waterproofed receiver. So I'm not going to worry about the ESC, mainly because I have to cut it open to get the varnish on it. Yeah, I'm just not going to bother. So, ready to go and see if it floats. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.